Artisan AI reviews, features, pricing and alternative, AnyBiz. In today's world, adopting intelligent technologies is essential, with 77% of companies integrating AI into their operations. Choosing the right AI solution is crucial for aligning with business goals. This video will explore if Artisan AI lives up to its promises by examining its features, pricing, and comparisons with competitors, especially AnyBiz. Artisan AI pioneers advanced Artisans, integrating seamlessly with human teams to automate and optimize business tasks, particularly in sales, customer support, and marketing. Their flagship AI, Ava, excels in automating outbound sales processes within a unified platform, driving significant efficiency and growth across industries. These AI agents excel in rapid onboarding, managing lead discovery, executing multi-channel marketing, and continuously improving through user interactions. Operating within a consolidated software platform, they foster human-AI collaboration for enhanced productivity and efficiency across industries. They provide customizable pricing plans tailored to suit various business needs, ensuring scalability and efficient lead engagement through AI-driven solutions. Detailed pricing information is available upon inquiry with their sales team, accommodating specific requirements and ensuring effective implementation across different sectors. Artisan AI currently lacks user reviews on major platforms like G2, Capterra, or Trustpilot, which makes it challenging to evaluate its effectiveness and reliability based on user feedback. AnyBiz is a powerful AI-driven platform for B2B sales, automating personalized outreach across email, LinkedIn, and Twitter. It features AI sales agents, automates meeting scheduling, email classification and responses, personalized landing pages, IP recognition, brand visibility enhancement, email domain warming, and extensive prospect database integration. In comparison, Artisan AI, though featuring advanced digital workers, lacks pricing transparency, user reviews, and a free version, potentially limiting accessibility. AnyBiz stands out with comprehensive, multi-channel engagement and advanced features like automated email sorting and personalized landing pages, setting it apart from Artisan AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you go. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and updates.